Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can get a live wallpaper on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. If you wish to have a dynamic or live wallpaper on your smartphone, then what you need to do is simply press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to open this menu, and then at the bottom of the screen we have wallpapers. So tap wallpapers, then scroll down and go to dynamic, and over here we'll find a bunch of different wallpapers that we can download for free and use them in our home screen. We also have customizable and standard, so it seems that there is only one that we can customize, so I'm gonna select this one actually, and just to showcase how it looks like. There we go, and after a few seconds we should see it over here at the top. Now we can go there and then we can set the wallpaper. Then we can choose if you want to set it for the home screen or home screen and lock screen. I'm gonna set it for the home screen, and there we go. If you want to access the settings, then I think we should be able to do that by tapping this icon over here, and then we can set different color, at least in this case. So you can choose your favorite color and then confirm by pressing this tick, and then set it once again to home screen or both home screen and lock screen. And that's it. Now we have a dynamic wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!